to Chateau Advent Calendar Vlogs, where every day of December we'll be showing you how we prepare for Christmas here at the Chateau.
Yep, we've got loads of tricks and tips for you, and if you don't want to miss a thing, hit subscribe, click the notification button, and you'll not miss anything.
Here's today's video. I love making the stockings. I think they're one of the most exciting things about Christmas Day. Coming down in the morning and seeing a stocking hung up with your name on it from Santa. It's idyllic. And I've got lots of presents together, mainly, if I'm honest, things that Mummy's bought in charity shops, and then a few little bits and pieces that Michael and I found in a local shop. Michael and I are looking for stocking fillers, and I think it's important not to take it too seriously. Everyone should have quite childlike gifts in there as well as nice things.
What about a sticky poo splatter?
No. I haven't sticky poo being splattered around the chateau. Oh, I am definitely getting Playmobil. Everyone can have a different colour and then we'll all have to club together on Christmas Day to make fun things.
I'm just having fun.
I know. We've lost you. Okay, I think we could get one of those for each one. That'll be really good. Bubbles on Christmas Day.
So, how would you need? 3?
3 packs. We've got everyone a rubber duck. And we'll also make them a bath bomb to go with it. Michael, are you telling me that the one thing you want for Christmas costs 400 euros?
That.
You can't have it, Michael.
Oh.
Sorry.
Fine.
Oh, we've got a Christmas sulk. We've lost Michael now. He's now actually building Lego in the shop. Here's our final haul. The Harry Potter didn't make it in, but we did get candy canes for each stocking. I've laid out all of the gifts ready for the stockings. Most of these things were bought by my mother in British charity shops over the course of the year. These are the gifts that I've been buying in England and Scotland. And here are the things that Michael and I bought in that shop. A little candy cane for every person, a little bit of Play-Doh, and then bubbles. No Christmas stocking this year will be complete without one of our hidden duck bath bombs. Goodness knows Michael and I struggled to make these, and I'm so proud of them. We have lots of Hessian sacks. These are from the Handmade Christmas Company. Each person sees a delivery sack from Santa hanging by the fire. So I'll show you how I fill them with Michael's, but there'll be one missing part, which I only put in at the last minute. I'm gonna fill the stocking for Michael Potts, the other Michael P. 2 Michael P's in my life, truly I'm blessed. As Michael's individual gift, I'm going to choose this lovely blue lamb's wool scarf. And as his toiletry gift, we will go for some Acqua di Parma bath and shower gel. This is the tartan scarf.
Wow.
Then the Acqua di Parma.
Oh, Acqua di Parma.
Yeah,
what's the Acqua di Parma? Tell me about that.
It's really, really gorgeous eau de toilette that I went to an amazing hotel in Spain, and they had these Acqua di Parma toiletries, and they're great because they're unisex.
So what did you do? Just take one each day and so they replaced it?
No, no, I didn't do that. At the end of the holiday, I took what was in the bathroom because I just used my own toiletries during the stay because I saw them and immediately realised, stockings, done!
What else is going in your magic stockings?
So I'm trying to give everyone some sort of toiletry gift and then everybody something else. So in this case, it's the scarf.
Yeah.
Then it's the things that everyone gets that are the same. The Play-Doh, sparkly purple. I'm just so excited that on Christmas Day, after we've opened all the presents, maybe just before lunch, we'll be able to sit together making fun little Play-Doh things. It's gonna be great.
That's so cute.
Mustn't forget, of course, bubbles.
Bubbles. And there's also a little game on the top.
Little game on top, and I specially chose the pink octopus for Michael. I think he'll like that one very much. Wouldn't be complete without a candy cane.
Never.
That goes in. Then for fun, I want to give everybody a bit of biscuit tea because most people won't have tried it and it's hilarious. So 2 tea bags of biscuit tea.
Biscuit tea? What's that?
It's just normal Yorkshire tea, but with a biscuit flavouring added. So as you're about to drink it, it smells as though you've got a biscuit with your tea.
Oh, wow. I want some of that now.
It's actually really fun. And then I'm going to put them in a little tea filter just to keep them safe. And then of course, no stocking is complete without an orange, in this case, a satsuma. Handful of walnuts, and I'll make sure that there's a nutcracker on the day so that everyone can eat walnuts around the Christmas tree.
Oh, that's lovely.
And a few chocolates. And of course, the most important thing in this year's stockings, possibly the most important thing that have ever gone into any stockings, the hidden duck bath bomb.
Oh, they'll never know.
Unless they watch this vlog. Now I'm going to leave it open because at the last minute, the night before Christmas, I put a helium balloon inside. Because as you can see, it's absolutely huge. And if I tried to fill this all the way to the top with gifts, it would just cost a fortune for Santa. So instead, I put a big helium balloon. So suddenly all of the balloons come out at the same time around the Christmas tree. It's so pretty and magical. Here's footage of me filling the helium balloons at midnight on Christmas Eve last year. It's like magic. And look at what we've done.
It'll be absolutely wonderful. It's going to be the most Christmas ever.
All I have to do now is wait for the night before Christmas and hope that somebody puts something in my stocking as well.
Oh, I'm sure somebody will.
I hope so. No, that's Michael Potts, not Michael Petherick.
Oh, no, Stephanie, I think you're mistaken. It just says Michael P.
Does it now? Does it? What happens if I move that hand, you little...
Michael P.
Christmas thief!
The Grinch. Bye. Thank you very much. See you next year.